There's a new Rsv4 and Rsv4 factory from Aprilia for 2025, though you wouldn't know it by the looks of it. In fact, we came close to brushing off the Rsv4 when we first got these images since, yet again, the bike basically looks the same as it always has for nearly 2 decades. Pricing for the standard Rsv4 is $19,099, while the Rsv4 factory is set at $26,099. Aprilia's V4 engine. Since its inception, we've loved the sound it makes across the board. The very first iterations of the engine were a bit underpowered, but as the years went on and displacements got bigger, the lack of power went out the window. In this latest guise, the 1100cc, 1099cc, to be exact, 65, V4 meets Euro 5 Plus standards, and in so doing, is also said to make 220 horsepower at 13,100 revolutions per minute in 92.2 pound-feet of torque at 10,800 revolutions per minute. Taming all that power is the same basic chassis the Rsv4 was born with, and as much as it gets criticism for hardly changing, the truth of the matter is that it works just as well now as it did then. Surrounding the frame is a new set of bodywork which looks largely the same as before except for one key feature: the huge wing underneath the triple LED headlight. The Rsv4 comes with a litter of electronics. Now, however, the information comes to the rider via a 5-inch TFT dash with new graphics, a fuel level indicator, and backlit switches on the handlebar. While we're up here, the rider will find a new, lighter triple clamp, and down below, Brembo's high-pure calipers replace the Stylema units and are lighter and more efficient. The electronics. ATC. Aprilia Traction Control. New, AWC, Aprilia Wheelie Control. AEM, Aprilia Engine Map. AEB, Aprilia Engine Brake. AQS, Aprilia Quick Shift. The Aprilia Rsv4 factory features premium equipment, including forged aluminum wheels and the Olin Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension system, replacing the Rsv4's fully adjustable Sachs mechanical suspension. All electronic packages come as standard, including the new slide control function, the corner-by-corner suspension and engine power delivery calibration. It is available in a single color scheme, dark Kraken, making the factory instantly recognizable, also thanks to its combination with the two-tone seat.